Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Daddy and his daughter wants to dance, and we want him to play the music. Daddy and his daughter wants to have a father-daughter dance, and we want Adewale Ayuba to take step forward. Please, Daddy and his daughter wants to have the father-daughter dance. Thank you. Hey, Joy, ibi tó dúró sí yẹn àfẹ́kẹ́ nìkan kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ibi tó dúró sí yẹn àfẹ́kí ẹnìkan kan kó wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Wọ́n kọ́ ní báyà ajá ni o. Sọ̀tọ̀ ló ní tẹ́ àtọ̀dá. Ayé ìdílé ń jẹ ẹ ò tí ì darí ọba. Ayé ọba ti dùdù ìdílé ń jẹ ẹ ò tí ì darí ọba. Ayé ọba ti dùdù. Àtúndà o. Àtúndà o. Ikú bàbá ayẹyẹ o, bàbá o. Bàbá arúgbó àtún mi o, Adétẹ́jú mi o, ọmọ rẹ̀. Adétẹ́jú aya àkọ́kọ́ aláàkúmọ̀ ọmọ Fọlárin, ọmọ dáadáa. Ọmọ Lámìdí o, Adéyẹmí ọba wa. Ayé ìdílé ń jẹ ẹ ò tí ì darí ọba. Ayé ọba ti dùdù ìdílé ń jẹ ẹ ò tí ì darí ọba. Ọba tó ń bá sọ́tún, tó ń bá sọ́sì, tó ń bá sọ́rí òòrùn gbogbo ìdílé ń jẹ ẹ ò tí ì darí ọba. Àtọ̀dá. Àtọ̀dá fún mi méjì sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́mọ létí yẹ. Ẹ fún wọn láyè ká sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́mọ létí yẹ.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day. And if you have a show coming up, campaign, any kind of event, call us, we'll be there. And we are showing appreciation to our fans. So we are organizing a talent show which will hold on the 3rd of August 2018, which the best performance will be walking away with the cash prize and will be promoted on Boa TV for 2 months. So if you want to participate or need more info about this show, call this number below or check out this banner. Thank you.